Warning. Parental advisory. Due to strong language, graphic images as well as dark and disturbing subject matters, this channel is intended for mature audiences only. I am unable to control what the spirits might say or do during my research. Do not attempt anything you see on this channel in your own home. There are inherent risks taken when you open yourself and your home to the other side. I have been working in the field for over 25 years and nearly 50 years of personal experiences with the other side. I am haunted, and this is my documentation of my journey to find the answer to the question we have all been asking. What happens when we die?
Okay, I'm going to try this again because the first time I tried doing this, I had the phone not going the right way, so I had to stop it and start over. And let's see here. I'll turn that on, that off, so I don't have that glare on the box. And I'm going to turn the spirit box on. I need to go grab something else from the room, but I will be right back. I just wanted to kind of also wait for a few people to come in before I actually started the unboxing part. Hello and welcome to whoever just joined. Welcome, spirits. Is anybody in here with me right now? Sorry, this was in my bag, so this, is that better? Are you guys having a hard time coming through in here? Whoa. Okay, is that where you want it? Alright, I'm gonna be right back. I'll be right back. I just need to grab a tool real quick. You guys better not say anything about me while I'm gone. Back. Of course, I just made the dogs bark. Sorry about that. Okay. I can't see comments or know who. I see Kristen Hamlet up here in the right corner, but I don't see who the other person is that's watching. Sorry. So one of the things I don't really like about using my phone... I'm sorry, can you repeat that? Oops. Does that help? Did you say Jess? Careful. What are you trying to tell me to be careful about? Okay. Okay. I see who's here now. Okay, did someone just say look away? Alright. There's the book for it. Glare from the light. Alright. Move this aside. Actually, let me turn that off and see if that helps. Okay. No lighting, but I think you guys can see him okay. I really like the artwork on these. They're really cool. It's a very Norman Rockwell-esque art. Would this be the... Is that Matt or Mark? I can't tell. I think that's Mark. Hi, Mark. Yeah, they totally remind me of like almost like pinup type art too. Like that whole, let's say like the 30s, 40s. Oh, so smoking's the devil, huh? Well. Wow. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna try to bend. There we go. Maybe that's a little bit better. How many of you are here in the room with me? Home. I almost feel like it was working better when I had it laying down. Oh my goodness, I love this artwork. What do I have in my hand? What are the zombies in this one? Oh. So none of you spirits want to help me do a reading today? Whoa. I can't wait to actually try to use these because I think it's going to be kind of interesting. And this is a deck that I've been looking at on Amazon for a while. and just happened to see it for sale when we were out yesterday. One of the places that every single time I go there, I spend way too much money is there's a fine art supply store that's like in the Midtown area of Reno. Oh, I've spent so much money in that store. Spirits, is there anything that you would like to talk about today? I heard a yeah. That's creepy. That's hilarious. Also a little creepy. Okay. What are you telling me to be careful about? Okay, I'm sorry, did you just say don't go? No, I keep hearing a man's voice that's underneath the sleep sound. Sir, if you come closer, it'll be easier for me to understand what you're saying. Oh, that one's really cool. Hello? I can hear you. Can you hear me? What would you guys like to talk about today? Is Thomas here still? Hello? Thomas, are you still here with me? Oops. I also like the size of these cards as well. Not too big, not too small. Perfect size. Anything that's regular card, like poker card size or this size, I actually like a lot because it's a lot easier for me to work with than with my decrepit old hands. Oh, I love this one. Dead Mart. Do you guys not like these cards? Okay, well, that is the Zombie Tarot Mystical Prediction Oracle. Spirits. Can you tell me your names, please? Or can you tell me what room we're in the house? Did you guys all leave? I'm still hearing that same man's voice. Okay, well, if you guys don't want to talk today, then I'll just go ahead and shut this down. I'm going to do like I always do, and I'm going to count from 3 to 1. When I reach 1, I'm going to say goodbye. So if there's anything else that you have to say, now's the time to say it. Because I will not be doing this again here in the house until after my investigation. And I really, really hope that those of you who like to follow me to other locations will not come with me to the prison. I do not want you guys following me there. I understand that there's times that you feel like you need to protect me and you need to be there with me, but this one is not going to be one of those times. Okay, so I'm going to count from 3 to 1, and when I reach 1, I'm going to say goodbye. Here we go. If you want to count with me, you're welcome to count with me. 3, 2, 1. Goodbye. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for coming in and taking a listen and a look at the new deck that I picked up yesterday. I really appreciate all of you who have been here with me from the beginning. So I appreciate it, and I hope you guys all have a fantastic Monday.